You have got neighbors.
Here standing on my right is Mr. Kavanda Andrew, my vice chairman.
Yes.
Frank Mbombe. With those few words, allow me invite our head of sales, Mr. Kato, to give his remarks. Thank you.
Pansai, dear our main guest, Mr. Santos, Mr. Kato, the national sales, I have honor to welcome you in Mukono. My name's Frank Mbombe, the director Sioni Hardware Mukono, together with my co-director, my wife. We have decided also to come to grace the occasion. Managing Director, we thank you so much as people in Mukono, as your dealers in Mukono, for trusting us. And I also thank you so much for treating our painters in such a wonderful way. We don't take that for granted. We know that this, what you have started, is really good, and it will uplift the standards, not only of their lives, and also to boost ourselves, because these are our good clients. We thank you so much for that. Basebo ne banyabo ba painter ntwala omukisa guno okubebaza okutuwagira ng'aba Plascon. Mwebale nnyo, mwebalire ddala. Ate era tutwala omukisa okwebaza management ya Plascon olw'okuba nga etutuusaako byonna bye mwetaaga. Ndowooza naffe nga ba dealers tugezaako okubatuusaako quality gye mwagala. Si weewaawo? Sebo, banyabo ne bassebo tujja kwongera okubasaba mwongere otuwagira. Ebirungi tukyaleeta, ebipya byonna ebijja, ffe tuli mukutu, ebiva mu Plascon tubibatuusaako direct, era mujja bifunawo bwe muba nga mulina kyonna kye mugamba, naffe weetuli okubayambako. Nayanza olwakadde mwami Kato kompadde okwogerako ne bapeyinta bano, mbaagaliza olunaku olulungi.
Plascon. Our Managing Director, you're most welcome to the Mukono Plascon area. These are the painters in Mukono. Some of them, they are representing the others. We restricted them to 100. There should have been much more than this. So these people in Mukono are very special to us. I always tell them. For the principal reason being that we are also residents, corporate citizens of Mukono. So it is very important that painters who are within our area perform actually better than any other painter in terms of whatever they do. So we have given them a very big responsibility, especially the leaders, to make sure that Greater Mukono is an example for every other Plascon forum in the country. And we believe they are not going to disappoint us, because they are all very capable leaders, and also the team is a very good team. We want to thank you, the painters of Mukono, because there was some confusion lately towards the end of last year that you all know. Some of the people who used to lead you were trying to foment confusion amongst you, and you all stood your ground and resisted that and decided to move with Plascon. We don't take that for granted. Tubebaza nnyo okukola naffe ebbanga lyonna n'okutuwagira. N'Oluganda temulutegeera. Mbadde nsuubira nti munaakuba nnyo nga njogedde mu Luganda. Kubanga omwaka ng'oggwako oguwedde waliwo akavuyo kangi.
Thank you for having me here. It's very rare that I get a chance to talk to painters, and I'm very happy that I have got this opportunity to actually interact with you. You are one of the very, very important stakeholders in our business, and I am very touched with the love that you have shown to the Plascon brand. Thank you very much. We believe in, as a company, we believe in empowering people, and this is a small gesture. I mean, we try and do trainings to ensure that people get trained as painters and then they can earn livelihood. Now, this is one step further to try and give some tools to assist the painters in earning a bit more. And we will keep doing whatever we can. We want to also encourage sports among painters, and for which we have been investing in these football tournaments. And we will continue doing more and more things year on year. But I really want to appreciate the support that you have given the Plascon brand. We cannot be the #1 company unless we get your support. So thank you very much. We all hope to grow together year on year. Thank you.
Kansai Plascon. Kansai Plascon. Kansai Plascon.